Chapter 4. Construction of Triangles. Revision. Introduction. Geometric construction is mostly concerned with drawing diagrams as per the data using geometrical instruments such as ruler, compass, protractor, and set square. In the earlier class, you have learnt about construction of isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and scale-in triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. A triangle in which three sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. And a triangle in which all three sides are unequal is called scale-in triangle. We have also learnt about perpendicular bisector of segment. We have studied the property of perpendicular bisector, that every point on perpendicular bisector is equidistant from endpoints.
Let us now revise a few basic constructions. Draw segment AB of length 4 centimeters and then draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. The first step is draw a segment AB of length 4 centimeters. Then, taking a distance greater than half length AB, draw arcs from points A and B on both the sides of line AB. Now draw a line passing through the intersection of the arcs. This line is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Therefore, line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB.
Construction of a triangle if its base, sum of the other two sides, and one of the base angles is given.
Construction of a triangle if its base, the sum of the other two sides, and one of the base angles is given. Question 8. Construct a triangle GMB whose base MB is equal to 4.6 centimeters, measure angle M is equal to 45 degrees, and GM plus BG is equal to 8.2 centimeters. Analysis. Since we know only the sum MG plus GB is equal to 8.2 centimeters, we first construct a triangle MHB, where MB is equal to 4.6 centimeters, measure angle M is equal to 45 degrees, and MH is equal to 8.2 centimeters. We will now have to locate point G, which lies on segment MH, and G is in between M and H. If GH is equal to GB, then since MG plus GH is equal to 8.2 centimeters, MG plus GB will also be equal to 8.2 centimeters. Hence, if we draw a perpendicular bisector of segment BH, then GH is equal to GB by the perpendicular perpendicular bisector theorem and we get the desired triangle GMB. Step 1 is draw triangle MBH where MB is equal to 4.6 centimeters, measure angle M is equal to 45 degrees and MH is equal to 8.2 centimeters. Now, draw the perpendicular bisector of segment BH and allow it to meet segment MH. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector of segment BH and segment MH is point G. Join points G and B and we get triangle GMB. This triangle GMB has base MB is equal to 4.6 centimeters. Base angle M is equal to 45 degrees. And the sum of the other two sides, GM plus BG, is equal to 8.2 centimeters.